Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using the Z test operator here to check if a file is empty. Okay, so I've got some files in here. So this one's empty, this one is full, and the other two are empty, the text files. So these are the files we're going to be checking. So the first example here, what we've done, we've created a scalar variable called file path, and we've assigned it to this path which is on my desktop, and that's the folder. And I'm going to be checking just a single file with this one, so I'm going to be checking full.txt, and then we use the test operator here, so we evaluate it using if, and we use the test operator to test if the file is empty at the file path here. If it's empty, we print empty path, or else if it isn't, we print the file path is not empty. So we'll be testing this file first, full.txt. So I'm just going to have to call that. So this is empty file 1. This is the first example I'm going to use here. So let's just do that, and let's just run it. Okay, so there we go. So full.txt is not empty because it's not. Let's try empty.txt. That's another file name there. Let's just run it. And of course, it's empty. Okay, let's go on to the next example. So with the next example, we're going to be checking multiple files in that folder. So when we call it, it's going to be empty file 2. So first of all, what we do is we create a subroutine here called empty file 2 to check for multiple files, and then we create the scalar variable called file path and assign it to the file path, which is C users mark desktop new backup. That's where all the files are. And then we use the print command to print a message saying checking files and a new line here, so we tell the user what is happening. Then we use the sleep function here, and we add a value of 1. The sleep function will pause it for 1 second. If you add a value of 2 in there, it will pause it for 2 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, etc, etc, etc. Then we create an array here of files and assign it to glob and the file path here. So we store all the files in there. And then what we do is we're going to loop over all those files using for each and the scalar variable called file here in files. So we're going to go over every single one of those files, and we're going to evaluate it using the if conditional here and using this Z test operator. So we test every single file in there, and if the files are empty, we print empty, or else if they're not empty, we print the file is not empty, along with the file name here, because we've interpolated this into the print command here. So we're going to call it empty files 2. So we're just going to run that, checking files. So empty text is empty. Okay, the full.txt here is not empty, and the new test document here is empty, and the other new test document is empty. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.